If you want to disconnect Zoom from Calendly, this quick tutorial will walk you through the exact steps in just a few minutes. This is useful if you no longer use Zoom for your meetings, if you want to switch to another video platform, or if you simply want to clean up your connected apps inside Calendly. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Calendly account using a web browser. You'll want to use the account that currently has Zoom connected, so everything shows up correctly in your settings. Once you're signed in, look at the top menu or the side menu depending on your layout. You should see an option called Integrations and Apps. Click that to open your connected services and app settings. Inside the integrations area, Calendly will show you the tools and services linked to your account. Now look for the Zoom integration icon. If you have several apps connected, you may need to scan through the list a little carefully, but Zoom should be easy to spot. Once you find it, click on the Zoom integration to open its settings. After that, you'll see a disconnect button. This is the step that removes the Zoom connection from your Calendly account. Click disconnect to start the process. Calendly may display a warning message to make sure you really want to remove the integration. This is normal because disconnecting Zoom will stop Calendly from using Zoom for future meeting links. Read the warning carefully, then confirm the action to completely remove the link. Once you approve it, Zoom will be disconnected from Calendly. At that point, your account will no longer automatically create or manage Zoom meetings through that integration. If you ever want to reconnect Zoom later, you can always return to the Integrations and Apps section and set it up again. But if your goal is just to stop using Zoom with Calendly, this is all you need to do. It's a simple process, and once it's done, your account is cleaned up and ready for your next setup. And that's it. You've successfully disconnected Zoom from Calendly. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and I'll see you in the next one.